Okay, so this is the ship that we all are supposed to be on. I hope it will come again. I'm having problem showing it now. Okay, so this is the ship that we are supposed to be in. What is this ship called? It is called EIECC ship. This is the ship that we are supposed to be on board. Now remember what I said? I said there is a globe that is full of problems. Now, to be really in that ship, you have to be a leader. And to be a leader, you have to have competencies and skills and knowledge. You know, and to have this knowledge and skills and competency, you have to learn together. We have to lead each other. We have to evaluate each other. We have to produce projects so that by the time we go to other countries and spread the message of Islam, we have projects that will save humanity, that will provide the solutions. And there is no solutions that will be provided by others than the solutions, the divine solutions of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And who has the divine solutions? Who has the divine solutions? You have it as Muslim. You're supposed to be carrying these solutions because you are the only people who are communicating with Allah, communicating with the Quran, knowing the character of the best people, knowing the character of the best man ever walked this earth. So this is very important, that we need to make sure that we carry this message, because in this message lies all the solutions for the malaise, for the diseases of the world, for the problems of the world. Am I clear? Okay, so this is the ship. Now, inside this ship, look what we are supposed to be learning. We're supposed to be developing leadership skills. We're supposed to work in teams. We're supposed to have open interchange of ideas, not to have somebody spoon feed us or lecture at us every day. We are supposed to work on our cross-cultural interface. We're supposed to be developing the competencies. We're supposed to be living communities' values. Okay? And at the same time, we are supposed to, in the process, we are supposed to have a society or a community called Knowledge Society in Cross-Cultural Communication to present Islam. So at the end of the day, our goal is to produce this society, to produce this community. What is this community called? Knowledge Society in Cross-Cultural Communication to present Islam to the whole world. This is our goal. So by being together, whether we are online or whether we are here in the hall, we're supposed to be producing these communities, and these communities are supposed to lead themselves, and they are supposed to present Islam to the whole world in the best way. Now, this is where EIECC comes. And this is where EIECC is proud of, is to make sure that we produce as many communities all over the world, whether it is in Sierra Leone, the country that I visited, or Nigeria. Also, I visited Nigeria a long time ago, or in India, or in Sri Lanka, or in Thailand, or in Malaysia, or in the Gulf areas, or in Sudan, or in all of these. We are supposed to produce as many communities in a cross-cultural communication to present Islam as possible. So our job is to work together.